Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will create a cash book using Excel. So how to create a cash book using Excel we will see in this video. So for that we have some data here. We have a debit side here where we have put a serial number, date, particular cash bank. Similarly I have put a credit side here, date, particular cash bank. And now we will do some formatting in it. So first of all I will just merge it. I have already merged it. Again I merge this. So it will be in the center. I select it till there, merge this to center and give it some color. Similarly I select this credit side, merge it and give it some color. Now we have a data here like serial number, date, particular cash and bank column here. Similarly we have date, particular cash and bank column here. So first of all what we need to do, we have to convert this data into table. So I click on the serial number and then go to insert, and from table I have to not select this table, we have to select this table only. We have to select this one, or we can do it again. I just select this, not serial number, we have to select this complete, and then I will select table, and it will ask my table has headers. Yes, our table have headers. The serial number, date, particular, all are headers. So I click on this and press OK. So now we have created a table. We can change its format from the design whichever we like. There are many style of tables are there. I am taking this one. Like you can take whichever you like. I take this, or either this, I take this. Now what the problem with this table is, like we have a particular here, but here we have it's showing particular 3, it's here showing date 2. So we have to write it only date and particular. For that what we will do, and here column which is not required. So first of all I will go to column and just delete this and press space bar from keyboard. So it will be blank now. Similarly I go to date and just delete this 2 number and press space bar, and it will be date now, because we need a unique headers. The table only take unique headers. The difference between this date and this date is like it has a space, whereas the first one don't have a space. Similarly I will go to particular, delete this 3 number and press space bar. We have a space here. Similarly cash, delete this space. Similarly I go to bank, it is showing 5 number, I delete this and press space bar. It has a now they all are uniques. Now we have to put a formula here so that we can have a serial number here, but before that we have to put a date here. For date I go to home, and in place of journal I just select, I go to journal and take a long date, and then I will put a long date here. It will have a date format here. Similarly I go here, and from here I will take a long date. So this tab, this cell is having a date format here. So if I will put some date here like 1/1, so it will be in a date format. I will just delete this at the moment, and then I will go here, and here we have to put a serial number. For serial number we have to put a formula. The formula is like, if we will go to, we put equal to here, then I will put if bracket open, then it will ask about, then we have select this date, and then we put equal to, you can see this formula here, like if it is date equal to is blank, then we have to say a blank result only. Otherwise we will put a formula which is rows formula, and this rows formula will check this cell which is just beside this cell, and then again we will select this D8 and just go to this first D1 and press F4 and lock this and close this. First for row, and the second one is for if, and then press OK. Presently it's showing blank. When I will put some data here like 1st January 2021, so it will show a 1 number. Now I will put some here balance, like balance is like on 1st January we have balance of 20,000 cash and 30,000 in bank. So it's working now. Here I will put some data again, 2021, it will be in the date format. In the particular I will like, we will put some, give some money to Ramesh, which is cash 2000 and bank 3000. then I will go to second. The formula is there, it's showing the formula if. So now I will put a date here again, 1st January. Then I will go here, I will put some name here, like we have taken money from Mahesh, which is 30,000 for 30,000 cash. Then we will make some payment on 1st only. It's not working date here, so what we need to do, we put this in a date only. It's a date, but it's not working. We have to check whether it's not working. It's a date only, 1st 2021. Then it's working now. Then I will put a name again, Kavita. We give it some money through bank, which is 2000. Then I go here, so it's working. We check it whether the formula is working or not. Yes, it's working, so it's working in all cells. So in this way we have put a formula in the table and it's working throughout the column. Now what we need our cash balance and bank balance. What will be our cash balance or bank balance? For that I will create here our cash balance, and I put enter here, and here I will write bank balance. If we need our cash balance and bank balance, we have to put some formula here. So that formula is sum, a simple formula. We put equal to sum, like I will select this sum, this one, complete, so it will show our sum of cash balance. But the formula will only work if we will minus sum this side and just press enter. So whenever we make any entry, according to that it will add or deduct the money from it. Similarly we will put here equal to sum, bracket open, we will add this side and then close it, minus sum, bracket open, we will add this bank side and close this and press enter. So now we have a cash balance and bank balance. Whichever entry we will make according to date, it will give us some cash balance or bank balance. Now I will put some date here, like I will put 2nd of January 2021 and just press here, and we got some money from, we will take some name here, Rajiv, and put 30,000. Now our formula is working, it's changing the cash balance also. Suppose like if we want to know our running balance or according to date, so what will be our balance according to date? For that what we will do, we will put here our cash balance here, cash, we can write something like this, cash balance, or here I will write bank balance. And here we will put a date. So whatever date we will put, like I will put a date here, I will go here in this date column and just change it to long date. We have taken a long date here, and just select this, make it in I just change its style, it's not working properly, what the problem? Okay, and give it some color, something like this. I just select this. Formatting you can do according to your own choice. I just select this and margin center. I just stick and just margin center and margin center. Okay, so now whatever color we give, sorry, whatever like date we give here, according to that it will show our cash balance or bank balance. So for that what we will do, we have to put a formula which is sum if. So I put equal to sum if, I will just only sum if, bracket open, it will ask about the range. So what will be the range? The range is our this. So I will put this, first of all what I will do, I will put a date here, rather than doing, I will put a date here like 1st of January 2021. Now I will put enter. Now I will put a formula equal to sum if bracket over, it will ask about the range. So range will be this. I will select this range, comma, then will ask about the criteria. Criteria is this date. Then I will put a comma here. Then it will ask about the sum range. Sum range is our cash balance. Then I will close this. Then I will put a minus sign here. Again I will put this sum if, open bracket, it will ask about the range. So range is in this time this range will be from this table. Then I will put comma, it will ask about the criteria. Criteria is our date. Then I will put comma, and then follow the sum range. Sum range will be the cash one. Then I will put closing and this plus enter. It's not working, we have to check, we have given something wrong here. Here we have a range, here we have a criteria, here we have a sum range. It's working, but what about the second table? So what's the problem here is, like, it is showing a date, so we have to change this to journal, so it will show the cash balance. Similarly, we will take it for bank. We will put equal to sum if bracket open, it will ask about the range. So our range here is this range. Then we will put comma, it will ask about the criteria. We will select the date here. Then we will put comma, it will ask about the sum range. In sum range we will select this data and then just enter it. So we will find the addition of our debit side. Now we want to know the balance. So for the balance we have to subtract its credit side. So we will put sum if bracket open, it will ask about the range. So we will take the date side from the credit side, comma, and we will select this date and then comma again. And what we will do now, we will select the bank side and thus enter, close the bracket and press enter. So now we have balancing as per cash balance and our bank balance. Suppose, like, if we will add a date here, 1st of Jan only, then I will put a name here and put some formula data here, like we will put 1000, so it will decrease, and formula is already there. If we will date another date, like if I will put a 2, first of all it will like the date function here is, first of all it will take the month and then it will take the day. So we have taken the 2nd of January here, and now we will put the name Rajiv here, put 20,000 here and then 30,000 here. And now if we will change this date and put a date here, like 1st of first of all it will take month, so 1st of month, 2nd of January 2021. So everything will change according to that. So our cash book is on 2nd is 50,000 cash balance, so it is only adding the cash of 2nd of January. So what will be our cash on 2nd of January? So it is adding that only. It's equal to 30 and 20 is this, and bank size is this one, which we have no entry on that side. So this is the way this formula will work. So thanks for watching this video. For more, stay tuned with us. You can subscribe us, or even you can press the bell notification if you are on YouTube, and Facebook you can follow us for more videos. Thank you very much.